Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoclose on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scroll down until you find this window here of Telegram, and you will click in this page. Then on app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Telegram. Then you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.